You pushed out 3 wet ones. And then a dry one. It's just like cat food.
Dry cat pellets.
A black cone. A black cone.
Hi, my name is Peter Filter, and you're watching Sickening Drag Performances. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hi, I'm the chemical burn from the spiral perm, Trixie Mattel. What? You have the nerve! You have the nerve! You have a lot of nerve!
I hated it.
Well, if you had had that in first grade, you wouldn't have got misgendered.
That's
You would have stood up on your desk and pulled out your hairy ass and be like, how about this, colonial woman? Obama.
What's It better be a gong sound. Get him on the phone. Get him on the phone. Ron,
Ron,
we need a
do you have
gong, not a fart.
We'll put Chris on if you're not gonna be cooperative.
But I bet we do have.
Does this look like a girl? And she would have pulled out her ass that was hairy and been like, yes, you're a woman. It's your birthday. And, do you know what I mean? I love that. I love that. Like making fun of people for having a birthday.
Yeah. Oh, yeah,
your birthday.
My ass hair. I don't need it, nor do I want
You
it.
think God had more to do than worry about the wicker basket climbing all over your
The bramble on my dumper.
Yeah, it was like the vines in like Sleeping Beauty. Yeah. Like, cell phones will give you brain cancer.
Yeah.
Fool me once, shame on you. Melting ice caps drown my babies. Oops.
I think that sums it up pretty.
Hey guy, you go.
And
they would say that's gay.
Never
of
heard
course,
that.
I had acrylics when I was ill.
You're like,
Yeah.
what of it?
Yeah. But like, even that, getting caught in any sort of gay trickery. It's scary. That's ashamed. That's a shame. Complex notes of fruit, floral, and nut in my butt. What? And I kind of just like, they're driving and I walk by like, excuse me, why are you driving? You could. I gotta tell you this. I do not drive a car, but I do have.
And I'm Betsy. And I'm Betsy Johnson, starring in the straight-to-video, soon-to-be classic Gothbusters. Katya.
Be gross. Change your costume, Mimi. Change it around.
What?
All Stars 1.
Oh, gotcha.
Tammy Brown.
There you go.
You want crazy? I'll give you. Just a spot on the top of your head in first grade with a little 666, but you couldn't even hide it.
Oh, so this misgendering thing is only
It's only one-dimensional.
Yeah, this is like.
She said Miss McCook, you said Mama. I also love people who are famous for one thing. That's the power of Pie and Sol, baby. Like, I want to meet her. The Pine Sol lady. Did you know with Pine Sol you only need a capful? Working.
It's not the vitamins, honey.
It's jeans.
It's something else. Yeah. It's just.
She goes to Burning Man. Do you think she does like?
That's what it is.
I bet she had a
Ayahuasca.
pregnancy scare at Burning Man and got her whole life together.
Love that.
So you think at other times you're whimsical and fun? Where do you keep this other persona?
Yeah. Like, Dad, you look like fat. It says no, but you smell like shit. You know what I mean? Like
To him.
how
Do you know how
long
bad
after?
I wanted him to shove a gun right up my ass? Like, being pulled over is equal parts hot, equal parts scary. Sometimes fear and sexuality overlap.
Yeah. And don't forget to subscribe to. Goodbye.
so weird.
Try it.
Goodbye.
No! Terrible.
I'm sorry. Goodbye.
Patronizing.
Yeah!